so this is what came in the mail today. So I got two different gel plates. So I went with the 5 to 7 inch, and then this one is the 6 by 6. I just thought that, like, you know, if this is something I enjoy doing, I could make just like cards using this. I used to make a lot of birthday cards as a kid, so these are like really good sizes for that, or even just like prints where I can frame them for my friends. So anyways, really good starter sizes. And then this is the brayer. So I think Speedball, I kind of did a bit of research. This one seems to have a lot of reviews. So this is the 3.5 inch, but the 4 inch you can actually find a really good deal on. Especially if you guys install like a Keepa tracker on Amazon, you can track the prices. So literally right after I ordered this one, I saw the 4 inch went on sale even cheaper than that. So I was a little, you know, unhappy with that, but it's okay. And then lastly, I ordered this Liquitex Iridescent Set. So it's got the gold, silver, and copper, just really beautiful colors. I didn't really get this specifically for gel plate like printing for doing this. I just I have other acrylic paints, and I just figured that, you know, I've tried paint pouring before and stuff, and I figured it's nice to have a set of like metallics, and these were like on like a steep discount. I think I got these for $15. So I just bought these, but I think I'm gonna try using this. And then lastly, I have the cardstock. Definitely need that. And this is, I believe, the 110-pound one, but I will double check and I will post the link under the video. Right, so for the purpose of this, I'm also just gonna bring in a set of acrylics that I already own. I've already bought before this, and I had planned on doing some acrylic painting, and I just haven't done that yet. This seemed more fun, so I'm gonna start with this and see how it goes. I do apologize for the video quality. I'm just starting, I don't know, I think I'm doing this video, like, I'm doing this mainly for myself, you know, just something to look back on when this pandemic is over. But hopefully some of you guys that are watching do enjoy it and, you know, find this fun for you as well. So FYI, I'm literally using like 2 smartphones to prop this up. Oh, you can see this. Oh, damn. Okay, there we go.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, so to start off, great, I have everything. Okay, so today I think I'm gonna just like, I'm gonna play with the metallic colors that I got from Liquitex. So, oh my god. By the way, sweaty hands. Who has sweaty hands here? Struggles, yo. Oh, this is so cool. Ooh. Oh my god, this is like, okay, okay.
Oh, this is so satisfying already. I hope I'm not adding like too little. I guess we'll see. Let's do a bit of a silver. Let's put that over here.
I'm gonna add a bit more gold actually. Wow, oh my god. This brayer, first time using this brayer, so you're just gonna roll it. Oh, I don't wanna. Oh my god. Oh, okay, interesting. So it seems like it's a fail because this type of paint doesn't seem to work very well on this gel plate. No, I don't think it works very well on this gel plate. It's very interesting. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna see what happens. Let me just put this. Take this jewelry box. Very cool, actually. See it? the metallic colors. Oh, it's very pretty when you turn it to the side. Ooh, that's actually very, very nice. Yes, it's very nice. I like it. I quite like this. My very first piece. Okay. Actual color now, because you're seeing that it didn't really work. I want to go with a red. Oh my gosh, don't you just love fresh paint? Like, literally, the moment you open it, like for reals, like just new, very first time. So nice. And now I'm too scared to squish this. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This color is just so gorgeous. This is a very, very, wow, it's a deep, wow, that's nice. End off with a magenta, actually, yeah. So take note, there's still like a little bit of gold left from, you know, the previous print. I do wonder whether that is going to show in the second one. And then I just want one up here, a little bit up there. Awesome. Now I'm actually gonna go this way and see what happens there. Oh my god. Holy crap.
This is gorgeous. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is cool.
Whoa. Actually, the brayer looks like beautiful. Oh, I missed a spot right here. Okay. Wow. Okay. See it there? Let's do that again. My jewelry box. Because this is my first time doing this, I haven't prepped any stencils, but in like pretty much all the gel plate printing videos I've seen, a lot of people use stencils and they turn out so nice. That is what I hope to do for the next time, once I've actually had time to cut out some. But this time I really just want to explore, just to see what it's all about and how the colors mix. Let's see what okay, reveal to you guys first. Holy, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my goodness. And it's crazy, you can't like see it. Well, kind of, I turn it to the light here. There's actually texture to this, which is really, really cool. And I haven't even added like any of the like the what was the acrylic mediums. I haven't added any mediums to this. This is purely paint. That's what I love about acrylic is that it's got that like texture. It's like it's thicker. It's very, wow. I'm so impressed by this. This is insane. And what's really awesome is there is a hint of like, there's a hint of gold to the side. In the bottom there, I don't know if you can see. Okay, I need to get a better camera. Holy crap, this is so nice.
I can't even, gosh, I need to stop admiring this or I'm not doing anything.
Now, okay, so what happens is like, I'm still left with a, you know, I can do a second print. Okay, so I'm gonna do a second print of this is right now. Oh, okay, lesson learned. You might want to roll out your brayer a little faster so the paint doesn't get stuck.
Oh wow, this is really, I love this brayer.
Okay, literally just this, just from cleaning my brayer, this is super cool, right? Like this could be a piece right here. I'm just gonna go right ahead and plop this down. And then once again, use this. All right, I think that's good enough. Use the good old hand. Let's see how this turned out. think I let the paint dry a bit too long. Oh yeah, I did. See? Not much came out of it. Very cool still. Oh, I love, you know what, the gold actually does, that actually really does add a lot to it. It's very, very cool. Interesting. So I've learned, okay, that I cannot let it sit for too long. So lesson learned, definitely best to clean off your plate as soon as you're done, or else once it dries, it's so much harder to clean it. But yes, highly recommend using a towel, okay, and doing it quickly before it dries. So I'm gonna do one more print here today, and I think I'm gonna go for, yes, I'm gonna go for some yellows and a different set of colors.
So let's do one more. This has been so much fun. Oh my god.
I'm gonna try a medium yellow. Okay. And I'm gonna do a slightly different like design or technique or whatever. I'm gonna start off in the middle. Oh, again, these colors are just so beautiful, so vibrant. Love it. And I'm gonna mix it with a green this time.
It's gonna be very interesting. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot of green.
A lot of green. And I'm gonna end off with a, I don't know how to pronounce this. It's a blue, but it says green shade. Green shade.
So, enough of that. These in the corner. Okay, that should be enough paint.
And I'm gonna do this way this time. Ooh, that pop of yellow there. I'm gonna make sure there's some yellow amongst all of this, so I'm gonna, oh my god, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna go over it. I'm very excited. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is definitely my new fave thing to do. This is so amazing.
Holy crap, I cannot get over this. Like, I seriously cannot. I cannot get over this.
Now I have, you know, a little bit left. I'm gonna, this time I'm gonna be quicker before it dries. So I'm really hoping that, you know, this is fast enough and it really picks up the paint, the residual paint, that is. Because that'd be super cool. Like, can you, like, you know, it's super cool that you can just have 2 prints, and sometimes you can have 3 from like the other video that I've seen, especially when you're doing like stencils. You can get, they call it like the negative. So you've got like 2 different designs off of just, at least 2 different designs off, I guess like one set of paint, if that makes sense. See what it looks like. Oh, okay, this was a little harder. So this one, oh wow, okay. Holy, see it? Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous as well. Yeah, towards the light. So I've got this one, this is the first one, which is, you know, more filled, of course. And then this is the second print. Oh my gosh. I am blown away by this right now. Wow. That is gorgeous. I really like the second print, and you know, so once again, the trick is to do it quick. I think if I did it a little quicker, because right now you see there's still a little bit left here, right? But it's pretty good. And sometimes, I mean, you don't need to get all paint. When you leave some paint, you know, on the gel plate, that's, you know, that's also a nice design there, to not, you know, to have some of those spaces just blank, that's nice too. I actually really dig the second print. I don't know, I think I dig the second one more than the first one. Maybe because there's a bit more of the yellow balance there. It's just very, very nice. No, I love them both actually. I can't really pick. It's just very, very cool that this is the first one and this is, you know, just what the residual paint gives you. So this is how the prints turned out after I let it dry a couple hours. Wanted to show you the first one again, which again I was using the Liquitex, the metallics that I got, which it was just more liquidy, so it's not exactly the type of paint that's, you know, the best for gel plate printing, but I do like how it turned out actually. And going forward, I'm definitely going to be mixing the metallics with the solid colors. But yeah, this turned out really cool, not disappointed. And then this was the second one that I did. Zooming in here, the texture is it's just incredible. It's a little hard to see there. And then the final one I did was this one here, which I love. This was the first print. And then the second one is arguably my favorite out of all these, but they're just, yeah, all incredible. I'm super impressive, and I'm like in love with gel plate printing after today. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. I just want to say, like, this is such an economical activity. Like, I think a lot of people can, you know, it's easy to have access to these materials. Yeah, I would love to hear what kind of projects you guys have been working on, or like any other like arts and crafts I should try, because I'm really trying to get back to, you know, creating more art and crafting, because it's something that I loved as a child. And you know, what better time than now to kind of rediscover your hobbies, right? So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll keep making art and I'll make more videos. All right, I hope everyone's doing well.